Hi guys. So I saw this online and I decided to try it to see if truly it works or not. And geez, I was actually surprised. Okay, so a lady was saying if you have wrinkled clothes and you don't have time to iron, or maybe you don't have iron or you don't have light, all you need to do is to just sprinkle vinegar on the clothes and everything will disappear, like the wrinkles will disappear. So I was like, how is that even possible? Like just white vinegar, how? You're not going to iron it, you just sprinkle it and that's all. Okay, let me try it. So I decided to try it, and then this is my cloth, and as you can see, it is wrinkled like very, 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 very. So I decided to add white vinegar to it. So this is white vinegar. I am spraying on it, and guys, you won't actually believe me, but it worked. Though not 100%, but it worked. Like the wrinkles disappeared, like so I decided to spray it, and then I decided to hang it outside in the sun so that the vinegar smell, in case there's any vinegar smell, it can actually disappear, so that when I wear the clothes I won't be smelling vinegar. And guys, it actually worked. Okay, maybe the vinegar I sprayed was actually too much because I wasn't actually expecting it to work. Like I didn't believe it was actually going to work, so I just had to like spray enough so it wouldn't be like because the vinegar was not actually enough, that's why it didn't work. So I had to like spray enough vinegar, and guys, I was actually surprised. Like it worked. Everything just disappeared. As you can see, it's actually disappearing small, like it's actually going small. The wrinkles is actually disappearing small, but with time, like I think I left it for like 30 minutes or an hour, and guys, jeez, everything disappeared. Not everything actually, but at least let me say 98 or 99% of the wrinkles disappeared. Like I was shocked, I was surprised. Anyways, have you tried this before? Like, have you tried this before? Or if you've not tried it, try it. Just add white vinegar to your clothes and let me know if the wrinkles disappeared or not. Like, let us know in the comment section. We would love to know, guys. Like, I still can't seriously believe this at all. But wow, let me know what you think though. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've not. And after subscribing, kindly turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post new video, you will be notified. Guys, I'm still actually very shocked that this thing worked. So I'm going to leave it for you to see with your own eyes, for you to see the wrinkles disappearing, for you to see it living by itself. For some people will say I cut the video to go and quickly iron the clothes. No, I didn't iron this clothes at all. And like, hey, I seriously can't believe this. So I decided to add the vinegar to just one part, like just the front of the clothes. The back I didn't add vinegar to, so that I can actually compare the two. And guys, like seriously, hey. So yeah, this is the part where I took the clothes outside to dry it under sun so that in case there's any vinegar smell, everything will just like go off. Guys, as you can see, I had to like spray more vinegar again. I don't know, just in case. See now, see, like compare this to before, like compare this now to before. I wasn't actually expecting this to work at all. If you ask me, to tell you the truth, I wasn't expecting this to work at all. Like, all you need to do is just spray vinegar, and that's all. It's going to work. If I should wear this, you won't even see one single wrinkle. So now this is the clothes after like 30 minutes to 1 hour. As you can see, the difference is actually very clear. So I'm going to show you the front. This is the front. That's the part we sprayed vinegar. And then I'm going to show you the back now. This is the back. So this was how the front was before, but now you can see it, guys. Like, you can see the difference is actually very clear. Like, look at the front now. Look at where we sprayed vinegar, white vinegar actually. Compare that to the back. So what do you think? Like, I would love to know what you think about this video. Like, I would love to know. This is one of the many vinegar hacks, and I'll try looking for more so I can share with you guys. That's if you guys are actually interested though. I would love to share the many vinegar hacks and other hacks with you guys. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. And like I said, please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, please turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, because we post videos every day. So please stay tuned to our channel. Have an amazing day. Bye.